Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Mark VII car wash at the 7-Eleven gas station in Frisco, Texas.
Now, have we been to this one before?
And we just explored 5 out of 6 in-bay automatic car washes in all of Frisco now. After this, then we got to explore one last in-bay automatic in all of Frisco.
Okay, what brand is this one?
A Mark VII.
Okay, there's the entrance.
Yep.
There's the vacuums, but we don't use them during COVID.
Right. Looks like they got them lights too.
Yeah, they do. Nice, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it's a second generation too.
Oh, it's a tight turn, so I'm gonna have to pull forward and then pull back.
Yep, it's tight in the truck.
Super tight.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go back.
We just went over a curb a little bit.
Yeah, we didn't have a choice.
Right.
Okay.
Super tight in the truck. Okay. Hold on a minute.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select to wash by touching the corresponding button on the slip. Your payment cannot be processed at this time. Please Your payment cannot be processed. Please remove your card. Your payment cannot. Your transaction.
The pin pad isn't working. You must pay in the store. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got rails too, huh?
Yeah.
And wheel scrubbers? Is that what those are called, or are they called tire scrubbers?
Well, it's hub scrub for Mark 7s. And it looks like this is a very nice bay too.
Yeah.
Can I show you the bay while we're on our way to paying inside the store?
Yeah.
And they got the dryer timer too.
Mm-hmm.
And there's the 7-Eleven store.
Yeah. And we don't need any gas, so we're good.
Right.
We just need the car wash.
Just 336 miles on the gas.
Yeah. So we're in good shape on that.
Yep. So YouTubers, at this time, whenever you come here, you should pay inside the store. At this time.
We will ask when they expect it to be repaired.
Yeah, for the credit card machine. But anyways, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. So when the power went out, it burnt out all the electronics, so the credit card reader went out on some parts.
Yeah, Dallas-Fort Worth had a historical snowstorm 2 weeks ago. It was the worst ever.
I'm pretty sure other gas stations, the credit card reader probably wouldn't work too as well.
Yeah. So what, we have a code now?
Yep. So I'll give you the card back.
Okay.
Okay, looks like we're gonna have to wait behind somebody, so let's wait.
Hey, we made it this time.
Yep. Did not even hit a curb.
Right, but I'll back up.
Yep.
So this is not a touchless, this is a touch.
Yep.
That's what I wanted.
Yeah.
Big truck,
So we go to C-Start Pay Station.
Yep.
I'll give you a better view. You can roll down the window if you want.
Okay.
But yeah, the pin pad doesn't work.
Okay.
At this time.
Due to a network error.
Yep.
Now let's see if we can stay inside these rails.
Yep.
So far we're in the rails evenly.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a Mark VII?
Yep. A choice wash, I think.
Okay.
Yep, it's the choice wash.
Where does it say that?
Well, it's actually on the Mark VII internet.
Okay.
On the website.
Okay. Windows are rolled up. There we go.
there's phone text too. They had that on the upgrades.
Oh.
On this type of upgrade.
They have what?
The phone text.
How does that work?
Let's see what that
looks
like.
Phone.
High gloss shine.
I thought you said text, like text message. Okay.
High gloss shine instant protection.
Yep. We needed a strong touch wash for this.
Yeah. Because it's very dirty.
Yes. Is that hitting the hitch?
Yeah, even though now it's back to the side for the brushes.
Okay.
Another person pulled up behind us too.
Oh, this is a popular one.
Yeah. So that's the wheel scrubbers. They got the windows on the right side too.
So what's next?
Let's see what it is. Looks like that's the armor roll. I think that's from the phone text. Oh, another brush pass too. An extra one.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. That's definitely what we needed. Today.
Yes.
We're feeling this again.
On the hitch?
Yep. The brushes. The left brush.
Yep.
So far, that's a slow pass.
Which means it gets a lot more dirt.
Yeah.
Right?
That's definitely what we needed today for this truck. I'm pretty sure this one's doing a better job than the previous one that we went to. Pretty sure this one's doing a better job than the touchless car wash.
I actually think it is, and I agree with you.
Yeah. Okay, it looks like I think we're about to get the rants.
Okay. You need it.
Yep. Turned on just right on the windshield. And then once we start driving out, it looks like there's a timer on the right side too. Which is we're gonna have to look at the timer once the driver's turns on. Okay, here comes this. I think this is. I'm gonna guess this is the spot free rents part right here. But let's see.
Does it say it?
There's no sign that can tell you what the wash is doing about the cycles. But I'm gonna go ahead and look at the light to see if the dryers are gonna turn on.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the dryers. The timer's on.
Oh, I drive?
Yep.
Okay.
So let's go and get some air.
Yeah, going slow. We have plenty of time.
Yeah. And if it doesn't get dried all the way, then that's okay.
It'll dry on the way back.
Yeah. And the brushes are getting blown too.
Yeah.
On the side of you.
So it's a powerful one.
Yeah. Right beside you, the brushes are getting blown.
My windshield went away.
Yeah. 25 seconds.
Is there dryers on the side or just on top?
Top. I think we got 20 seconds left. Even though we don't have to get it dried all the way, probably not all the way. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So there goes the 7-Eleven gas station, and this one's located off of Relator Road and Independence Parkway.
Yep. I'm gonna put my mirror back up.
Yep.
It did a good job.
Yep. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and bye, YouTubers. This was a Mark VII Choicewash XT car wash at the 7-Eleven gas station. Bye.